Our security experts will perform a professional security study to identify all vulnerable doors and windows at your home or business. Your installation will be done by our security expert. Our professional maintenance service ensures your installation is always operational. 3G encrypted communications protect you from phone line sabotage. Following the security study, we will place early detection shock sensors on all vulnerable doors and windows to ensure a total shield protection able to detect intruders even before they enter. In case of an intrusion attempt, our smart shock sensors with vibration detection will identify impacts or tampering and trigger the siren even before intruders are able to break in. Additionally, we will install photo detectors with night vision to create a second protection barrier. Visual identification of intruder is needed in high-risk areas. In case of intrusion, photo detectors will send the images to our agents, certified by the Security Industry Authority. Our professional agents are trained to respond in less than 60 seconds and take immediate action. They will receive images from the photo detectors and listen to live audio. With advanced image and audio verification processes, they can discard all false alarms and identify the real alarms. Our Alarm Receiving Centre, based in the UK, is certified by the National Security Inspectorate. Zero Vision Smoke Barrier is an exclusive device that will create a zero visibility condition in less than 45 seconds. Intruders will be expelled immediately or trapped by the smoke and captured by the police. For the first time, immediate protection against burglary. If they can't see, they can't steal. Also for the first time, immediate personal protection against intruders while you're at home. Zero Vision will scare and expel the intruder while the police are on their way. Finally, immediate personal protection in case of attack. While triggering Zero Vision, our agents will also dispatch a highly trained guard to protect your property, who will stay there until security is restored. At the same time, we will also notify the police and share images of the alarm event for a more effective intervention.